Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. Enjoy the winter scene from Pakistan. I make this video to get feedback of my videos made on mathematics subjects, differential equations and linear algebra. I hope you like it. Please give feedback to me. How was my videos? Do you like it or not? Please give comments, and also inform me in which math subject do you want me to make more videos. And thank you very much for your subscriptions, comments, likes and watching. Stay connected, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you very much.